Financial Accounting paper of 5th December 2022, which was tested by KASNEB for CPA and CFA foundation level. And in this paper, or in this video, I'm going only to present the questions and answers, but in the videos to come, I'll be demonstrating how to do some of these questions. So kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a video, you'll get a notification. And if you want these question and answers in a PDF format, then you can comment and I can send a PDF to you. So the first question of this paper, part A, you can see that the following balances were extracted from the book of GeoTraders for the month of November 2022. So what were you required to do? The question required a sales ledger control account for the month ended 30th November 2022 and the purchases ledger control account for the month ended 30th November 2022. Then we go to part B of the question. Ujezi Enterprises is a small retail firm. So the question required in Roman 1, journal entries to correct the above errors and narrations not required. Then Roman 2, suspense account duly balanced, including the opening balance. Then we go to question 2. Explain the following terms as used in a company account: discount on shares, allotment of shares, and then we have share premium. So that part of a question required you to explain those terms. Then part B, you have been given a trial balance of Vicky Limited. So the question required a statement of cash flow in accordance with the requirements of International Accounting Standards AS7 statement of cash flows for the year ended 30th September 2022. We go to the next question. This is question 3. Kate, Massey, and Nixon have been trading as partners under the name Common Partnership. So what did this question require? The question required a statement of profit or loss and appropriation account for the year ended 1st October 2022, then partners' current accounts and statement of financial position as at 1st October 2022. We go to the next question, which is question 4. Blaze Sport Club is a members only club. So this question, what did it require? The question required a bar statement of profit or loss for the year ended, that is September 2022. That is for part A. Part B, income and expenditure statement for the year ended, that is September 2022. And part C, statement of financial position as at 30th September 2022. We go to the final question. This is a theoretical question where in part A, you are required to explain the following accounting concept. We have the materiality concept, and then Roman 2, we have the matching concept. Then part B, in the context of manufacturing accounts, Roman 1, explain the term unrealized profit, and Roman 2, describe the treatment of unrealized profits in the books of a manufacturing firm. Then part C, explain the following terms of funds, explain the following types of funds in the context of public sector accounting. We have the revolving funds and fiduciary funds. Then part D, which is the final part, is analyze for objectives of financial statement. Analyze for objectives of financial statement. So the answers are here as I have presented them. We have the first question. We have the sales ledger control account for the month ended 30th November 2022 of GWA Traders. So that is the sales ledger control account. Then we have the purchases ledger control account. Then part B of that question, journal entry to correct the errors. So these are the journal entries which were required to correct the errors. Then the suspense account which is duly balanced this year. And then question 2, explain the following terms as used in the company account. So we have discount on share, allotment of share premium. So I have explained those terms here. You can use this question for your revisions. Then part B, statement of cash flow. So this is the statement of cash flow for Vicky Limited. This is the statement of cash flow. You can see we start with cash flow from operating activities, then we go to cash flow from investing activity and cash flow from financing activity. So we are going to be demonstrating most of this question. Then these are the workings for that question. These are the workings continue. Then question 3, we have part A of the statement of profit or loss and appropriation account for the year ended that 1st October 2022 of common partnership. Remember, those partners are trading as common partnership. And so the statement ends here. When you do appropriation, you're supposed to get a nil balance for the statement of after making all the appropriation, because you do appropriate even the residual profit. And then we have the workings, we have partners capital account as a working in that question. So those are the workings. Then part B, we have the partner's current account, which was required by the question. And then part C, we have the statement of financial position as at that 1st October 2022, which was also required by the question. So that is the statement of financial position. And then we go now to question 4. Breeze Sport Club, we have the bar statement of profit or loss for the year ended that is September 2022. So this is the bar statement of profit or loss. And then income and expenditure statement for the year ended that is September 2022. So this now is the income and expenditure statement for the year ended that is September 2022. And we have the workings which support that question, the workings which support that answer. And finally, for that part of the question, which is part C, we have the statement of financial position as at 30th September 2022. So this is a statement of financial position. So we continue to the final question, which is question 5. Explain the following accounting concept. We have the materiality concept, it is explained below. The matching concept is explained. And part B, the concepts of manufacturing account, explain the term unrealized profit, so it is explained. Describe the treatment of unrealized profit in the books of a manufacturing firm. This is the treatment as explained. Part C, explain the foreign types of fund in the context of public sector accounting, revolving fund. So these are explained. Then analyze for objective of financial statement. And the fourth objective is to assess the earning capacity or profitability of the firm, to assess the operational efficiency and managerial effectiveness, to assess the short-term as well as long-term solvency position of the firm, and to identify the reasons for change in profitability and financial position. So thank you very much, and kindly subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video. Thank you.